And here we are going for a drive. We have Corbin.
Hi.
And the Koas.
Hi.
We're gonna go for a walk, much to the chagrin of this one. Where are we?
At the adventure.
Ah, is that exciting?
Yeah.
The wrong gear. Alright, here we are at the Capilano River Fish Hatchery.
What?
Fish Hatchery. I'm happy to be here. Koa, are you happy to be here?
Yeah.
Corbin?
I want to go home.
It's just full of it today.
It even has a stool. See, it even has a counter for the kitchen. Yeah. And next door.
Kind of looks like a fish.
Where we go from? Huh?
What does this rock look like?
Dwayne Rock Johnson.
What did you just tell me?
It looks like a face. Yeah.
All right, Koa, what do you think of the waterfall?
We don't want to go there.
What's that?
We don't want to go there.
You don't want to go to the waterfall? Or you, Corbin, what do you think of the waterfall?
Big water, cold. It's a big waterfall that's cold.
Which way's that way?
That.
That way we go. You two, how was that adventure?
Good.
How was it, Koa?
Good.
Good. How about you, Corbin?
It was decent.
Decent?
Yes. Yeah.
Decent. I guess that's about as much as I can expect.
Yeah.
The adventure was decent.